All right, today in this video now, I want to show you how to make money per day. That is, earn money online on a daily basis, which means within the 24 hours, you make money. And it is this site I'm recommending that you can make money per day. Now, I'm not talking of per week, I'm not talking of per month, per day on a daily basis. And what are we going to do to make money online? This is a legit business, legit hustle online. All right. So, it's this site I'm introducing to you now, and they call it al.ly. That is www.al.ly. You can see it from here now. Look at it. See. So please don't browse this site now. Do not input it and check now. Please, you watch this video to the end, because if you just navigate out and be trying something else on your own, actually you may not get it right, because anything I'm making video on, trust me, is something I have knowledge about, and I'm also using it to help you out. All right. So this is the site. You can see now you can use early URL shortener to shorten links and earn money online and get paid within 24 hours of requesting your money. Request your income once you reach at least $1. All right. So with this now, you can make your money online. Now you can make money. You can get your payment through PayPal, Script, Pizza, and Payoneer. For Nigeria now, it's very easy through Payoneer to get your payment. Maybe you are from Ghana or any African countries here. Then through PayPal also you can get your payment. I'm going to talk about that. I'll make video about that for you guys. That's why you just have to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And also, before you go further steps, please, if you're very new to my YouTube channel, I want you to subscribe and turn up this notification bell here and select all. You see now, all, so that anytime I'm making videos like this, you will be notified. Then please give me a like. Don't let me forget this one. Then leave your comments. You see. All right. So you have to make sure you subscribe and click on notification bell, so that you will be aware and notified when I'm making videos on many things online. All right, so how are we going to make money from this now? That's the next thing. And I think I warned you, please give me your full attention and watch this video to the end. It's a very short video, and I'm going to make it faster. The first thing to do is, what we want to do is that, let me just give you a quick explanation of this. This is a URL shortening website. It's just like a Bitly. Maybe you are used to Bitly and the rest of the service, something like that. What you have to do is just to copy your link, paste it here. When you paste it here, you shorten the link here. Then the shorten one now, anybody that click on this link, you are going to share these links. Anybody that click on this link, you will make money. The more people are clicking on it, the more you'll be making your money. I will show you how to do this in a very professional way and make your money. All right, I told you this is what I did and it worked for me. So also I'll be happy for you to do it and give me your testimony about this. All right, first thing to do now is to create your accounts. Create an account with them, then click here, so that you can create your account. Then you see login here, click on login. That's the second thing to do. Click on login. Login here. Now login, if you have created an account before, now you put your email and password, then confirm the security thing. I'm not a robot. Then login. But now we don't have accounts. We are seeing this for the very first time. So the next thing to do is to click here. To create account. So I'll click now, create an account. You see now. So you put your username, email, password. You enter your password here now. Click on it. I'm not a robot. Then tick this place. Then click on create account. So I'm going to fill this now. I'll put the username, email, password, confirm password, and I'm not a robot. I'll click this, then agree to the term and condition, then create account. So I'll do this one and we'll show you how it will look like when you do your own also successfully. So you can see now, read this one. I just created an account, and this is the next thing that comes up. An email has been sent to activate your account. Please check your spam folder if you didn't receive it. So I'm going to check my email now to log in. So I received this email in my inbox now. They told me, I was told that if I didn't receive this in my inbox, I should check spam folder. So Fortunately, I got this in my inbox. So look at it now. Say, earn money by sharing short links. Registration has been successful. Hello, you have been successfully registered at Ali. Earn money by sharing short links. To log in, you will have to activate your account by clicking the URL below. So this now, I am going to click on this. You see, I will copy the link, or you can click it directly from here. So I will copy the link, then I will come back here. I will paste the link here. Link copied. I will paste the link now here. Then let's see what will happen. Your account has been successfully activated. See, your account has been successfully activated. So now the next thing is for me to log in when activated. You see now. So I'll click on login and I'll put email, password. This one I'll click on this for I'm not a robot. Whatever given there, I'll follow it. Now, if you like, this is optional to click on remember me or not. Then the last thing to do is to click on login. So that's what I will do now. All right. So this is the homepage of dashboard. uh Homepage of the one I newly created now. You can see, so everything is 0000. It's still very new. So what you have to do now is the next thing. I think we are done with the first part of the thing, that we have created account with Ali, as Ali service. All right, to withdraw money now, let me quickly show you here. Now if you want to withdraw money, let me show you. You click on withdraw here. When click on withdraw, then you see now, withdraw any. You do want to withdraw with paper or Payoneer. You see now you have two options: paper, Payoneer here. So if you click on this paper or click on this one. So anyone you want, then you put your payment account, you put it here, the amount you want to withdraw, so you put it here and you click on withdraw. Then look at the information given here. Once the minimum withdrawal limit of $1 is reached, you may withdraw your earnings to your PayPal, Skrill, or Pizza account. And please note that minimum withdrawal amount is $50 for Payoneer. Yeah, and will be paid before midnight on the next day. Please ensure your withdrawal account is correct below, otherwise you cannot be paid. Allowed withdrawal amount $1, $1 up to 1,000 US dollar. Payment frequency every day, including weekends and holidays. Funds availability instant. Fees, transaction fees paid by publishers. So you can see everything now. And if you want to, let me show you one more thing. Like, see referral here. Referral here also. So you can click on this for referral. Maybe you want to join their referral program. Like you see here, this is referral link. Look at this is referral link. You see also here. All right, let me go to the next thing. Oh, okay. So now you see, this is what we have to do now. See link here, single link or multiple link if you want to put multiple link. But here now, you paste your link here and click on shorten. Then the shorten link now is what you need to make money. Anybody that click on this link now, you make your money. So the next thing to do now is to come here. You see what I did, how to get 6-pack apps fast. So I just put this one here as a sample because we want to get a link. If possible, you can go to YouTube, any video just like my video you are watching, like you can get the link and put the link there, shorten the link, then use it to make your money. So how to make money? So let me just click copy any link from here now. Just let me copy any link from here. Okay, let me just click on this and copy this link. So here I'll copy this. Yes, copied. Next thing to do now is to come here to short the link. I'll press paste. Oh, great. Then I'll click on shorten now. Oh, great. So it has been shortened for us. All right. So next thing now is to copy our link. Given. So we have copied the link now. Now anybody that click on this link, you will get paid for that. See now. So anybody that click on this link, you will get paid instantly. Now, how are we going to use this link to make money? Now, that is another session that I think many of you will find it so difficult. See, let me show you something. I used to use this strategy without paying any money for this, without paying any money. Check my video here. Check my video here and utilize this. I know many of you also join my YouTube channel through this trick I use for you. I think I also bear the witness. You can bear witness on this. Look at this. This is what will help you on that. That is WhatsApp marketing. WhatsApp marketing without even struggling. Either you're from Nigeria, you're from Ghana, you are from US, you're from UK, you are from China, you are from anywhere, any part of the country where you're from. Use this method, you will make money. You make a lot of money with this without even paying for adverts, without even struggling, begging anybody. No. Just this
channel.
one
My
now.
name is
Just this one. You can use this one to make money online. Just watch this video. Please make sure you watch this video on WhatsApp marketing. All right. So when you do that, you will see how you can how you can market your link. Send this link to people, either you know them or you don't know them. The strategy you can use to send link to people, and people will click on the link. Once they click on this link, come back, you will see everything reading for you here that you are making your money. Just come back here and be checking, and it's on a daily basis. Now you will see how you can make money with this. I'm giving you this free to watch this free. Many people will not show you this kind of secret I'm showing you here now. Many people will not show you this kind of trick. Then another method you can use is this one. You can go to your Facebook and go to Facebook. All right, go to Facebook, then click on search here. Come to search button here, then click, then search for something related to what we are posting about. If you want to post about weight loss, you search for weight loss there. If you are posting about making money online, you search for making money online. Then you join those groups. When you join those groups now, if you see that they give opportunity to post link or anything on that group, you also post those links. People will surely click on it, because if that niche is what you are talking about in the group, they will surely click on it. And once they click on it, just to click it, that's what you need. Just click, that's just what you need. Then go back there to your dashboard. You see that you have been making your money. So this one, practically I will show you that. Let me say how to six pack. So how to get six pack. So let me put it like this. Then click on groups. Oh, great. You see now, see how I did it. It's all before, right? Then I click on groups here. You see groups. So now click on groups. Then start joining those groups. Then when join now, you will post your link. You just put the link there. When you put the link there, just if possible, write things about that. There are some link, when you post it, automatically it will load some image than contents on it under that and under it. And but if that kind of thing is not coming up, you can just put image that related to what you are searching for. Put the image there, and just put some kind of little content there and put the link there. People will surely click on this link. And there are some group that admin may not give permission to this. You can talk to admin if they authorize you for this, or maybe they have scheduled time where everybody can post. You can also post your own. So these are the two methods I'm giving you for now that you should try and make your money. I want your feedback over this. Go and try it. Trust me, try it, and you get back to me that you have made money with this. I have been making many videos, and I've been receiving many testimonies from people. So I'm giving you this one now that go and try, you make money from this. Please, if you're very new to my YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe, turn up this bell, then give me a like, leave your comment. So I will be happy to see you people succeeding. I love you. Bye.